Sometimes restoration does not arrive with thunder. It begins quietly. One decision, one conversation, one opportunity, one change in the way you see your future. After years of carrying responsibilities, you may have reached a point where you look at certain areas of your life and think, I wish I had made different choices. Maybe money was lost. Maybe a business didn't work. Maybe your career took a direction you never expected. Maybe years of caring for others left very little time for yourself. But your past does not have to become a prison. The prophet Joel spoke of God restoring what had been lost. That doesn't mean every past circumstance will return exactly as it was. Sometimes restoration takes a different form, a wiser opportunity, a healthier lifestyle, a renewed relationship, a new source of income, a deeper sense of purpose, a chance to use everything you have learned in a completely different way. And sometimes restoration begins with something incredibly ordinary, one faithful step. You don't have to rebuild your entire life this week. Start with what is in front of you. Look honestly at your finances. Make the difficult adjustment. Learn the skill you have been postponing. Stop feeding the habit that keeps draining your future. Small decisions become patterns, and patterns eventually become a life. The beautiful thing about being older is that you don't have to repeat every mistake you have already made. You have information now, you have experience, you know what certain choices cost, you know which relationship deserve your energy. You know that shortcuts often create longer roads. Use that wisdom. And don't let shame tell you that you have wasted too much time. The years behind you may contain lessons that become incredibly valuable in the years ahead. Maybe you cannot recover every lost dollar. Maybe you cannot relieve every missed opportunity, but you can decide what happens next. The decision is powerful. Your future does not need to look exactly like the life you imagine at 20s. It can be something different, something wiser, more peaceful, more intentional, and deeply meaningful. So take the next faithful step, not 10 steps, not the whole journey, just the next one. Because restoration often begins before you can see the result. One day, you may look back and realize that the moment everything began changing wasn't a dramatic miracle. It was the ordinary day when you finally decided, I will not give up on the life God still has for me. The day can be today.